how do you say it?
Huh?
How do you say it? Can you make me practice?
Freddy.
So it's Freddy.
No, it's Freddy.
Freddy.
Yes.
Or pretty. Or Freddy. Or pleady. What is it?
It's Freddy.
Pleady?
No, not Freddy. It's Freddy.
Tell me nicely, otherwise I won't understand.
Freddy.
Pleady?
No, Freddy.
Tell me one by one. How do you tell me?
It's Freddy.
No, no. How do you say it?
We say like this. Freddy.
Pleady.
It's not Freddy. It's